Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas Sir. The Hindu editorial dictation heading is cutting the captain at the rate 100 word per minute, which is very crucial for a skill test. First heading is cutting the captain. आप लोगों को पता है कि पॉलिटिकल इंक्लाइंड है थोड़ा आर्टिकल ये, लेकिन काफ़ी मज़ेदार आर्टिकल है ये। इसमें काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट हमारे एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी इसमें कुछ वर्ड हैं। ओके, देखो क्या बोला क्या गया, आप लोगों ने न्यूज़ भी पढ़ी होगी कि जो पंजाब में जो चीफ मिनिस्टर का चेंज हुआ है, कटिंग द कैप्टन, यानी कि कैप्टन को हटाया गया है, उसके ठीक है उसकी जगह किसी और को बिठाया गया है। देखिए क्या बोलते हैं, कांग्रेस माइट हैव बी एंडेड वन क्राइसिस। कांग्रेस ने एक अपना क्राइसिस को एंड कर दिया इन पंजाब, सिर्फ पंजाब में, ओनली टू सेट ऑफ ए बिगर वन। ऐसा करने से काफ़ी ज़्यादा मुश्किलें हैं जो पैदा हो गई हैं, उसी को लेकर ये आर्टिकल है। एट द रेट 100 वर्ड पर मिनट डिक्टेशन करेंगे हम। सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। Amrinder Singh's ouster and the selection of his better Charanjit Singh Cheney as Chief Minister of Punjab was scribed in Delhi by the Congress High Command, which in fact is party MP Rahul Gandhi and AICC General Secretary in charge of Uttar Pradesh Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. They pushed for the change of guard only months ahead of the next assembly election. Tenuously, Punjab is one of only 3 states where the party is in power. The party MLAs had turned against Captain Amrinder, but not before the Gandhis made it clear that they wanted him out. Captain Amrinder 79 had said of the 2017 assembly election that it was the last in his career and the party should identify his successor ahead of the next election, which is now due in months. While the Gandhis appear have taken it too seriously, Captain Amrinder, as those in power often do, went back on his words. Captain Amrinder says the reason for his change of mind, his state says his retirement is not imminent, is the choice by the Gandhis of Navjit Singh Sidhu as the party state president, whom he considers as anti-national and mixed up with the Pakistani establishment. The incoming chief minister is Dalit Sikh and the party chief have been acting in tandem to unseat Captain Amrinder. It is one thing to push for new leadership in the party and quite another to create a crisis in the process. The cost of this change for the Congress will be clear only in the coming days, but it is already evident that getting the party back in fighting shape will be uphill task. Captain Amrinder Singh exploring political options outside the Congress. While it may not be easy for him to build something new, he could clear the pitch for the Congress. His absence itself could be a drag on the field for the party. Though admittedly inaccessible to ordinary workers and even party leaders, his sense of the people's pulse in the communally sensitive border state has been critical for the party. His moderate image, secular approach, and nationalist rhetoric fit the Congress well. Mr. Sidhu and Mr. Cheney have been making provocative appeals to seek religious grievances in their efforts to outsmart the opposition, Shiromani Akhil Dal, and the outgoing chief minister. His propensity for communal appealing and his unstable temperament make Mr. Sidhu a sincere joker in the Congress pack. Should the Congress win, he will claim the Chief Minister's post with the said on the back foot for being part of the Union government when it enacted the three farm laws that the state's farmers are up in arms against, and the BJP friendless and faceless, the Congress had appeared poised to retain power. Perhaps such advantageous circumstances emboldened the Gandhis to go for the jugular in Punjab, but the said might have got a lifeline and the Aam Aadmi Party new hope while the Congress deals with its internal crisis. Full stop.